Today I'm going to be breaking down the haircut I just did from the character Jack Reacher from the new show on Amazon, Reacher. Before I do that, I want you to check something out, which is what I'm wearing. So, this looks pretty unique. Well, I've got brand new merch, and this is my famous TikTok haircut mannequin's face, okay? I'm doing something really creative with this, but I want to let you know that I do have these shirts now available right here on my channel. You can see it right down below. So check this out. This is a pattern that I had made myself of the haircut that you will now see. And I've done all sorts of different versions, like one that's like really, really trippy, right? I really spent a lot of time creating these. Look at this, a hoodie. Check this out, man. I mean, this is like insane. This is insane. I've got a hoodie with that design on it. I've got the hoodie with this design on it, like the trippy kind of mannequin. I know it's crazy, but you know what? Like, why not? Here's another design. So all these designs, leggings. I even got leggings for girls. Check that out. Is that sick or what, man? I mean, I just wanted to get really creative with creating some new merch. And yeah, long sleeve shirt. But I'm wearing one of the t-shirts right now, and they're available right here. So I just want to let you all know. And it's really, really cool. I'm going to be doing some unique things with this design. So just keep an eye out. But yeah, I mean, check that out, man. Is that crazy? Look at how trippy it is. I designed that to make it look like you're like, whoa. But that's the famous haircut, the TikToker mannequin. That's been on the news. It's been all over the internet. So now for the video that I did this haircut for, let's break down what I did, and we'll get nice and close in through here. So what I did is I started with a number 5 guard right in throughout the bottom, okay? Again, it's like if you see his hair, it's not anything where it's like super, super short, buzzed. You can get this haircut by having your hair cut by hand, but you know, it's probably about, I'd say like a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch long throughout the back, throughout the sides here. It's all very consistent. Same thing throughout this side. As you can see, I did go in with like a 4 and just really lightly taper this to make it a little bit neater. Where it gets a little more important, obviously the whole thing is important, but right into here where you're connecting the back into the top back of the head, and I did that just like my traditional haircuts where I'm pulling everything straight out and following the round of the head. This here, it's probably about 2 inches long into here, and then it's very consistent going throughout the entire top of the head, going a little bit longer to where it's about, I'd say 3 inches throughout the top, nothing more than that, and then maybe 3.5 inches right throughout the very front and through here. It probably goes down to about right here, but you can see he has some length just right throughout the front and through here. And then everything is very, very balanced and even and blended right throughout the top. And then what I did is I used my Success grooming paste right here, which really is a phenomenal product. If you're looking for just a little bit, like a good light to medium hold, really, really good texture, a natural finish, it goes to the hair very, very easily, scoops out very easily. It's just enough product to make it look like there's a little bit something in your hair to control it and to have a light to medium hold. And that's why I used it, because I don't want it to look like there's a whole bunch of product in there. And then the styling really just kind of all forward and then just a little bit up throughout the front and through here. This haircut works great on people who have got, fine hair, medium hair, preferably straight hair, right? This really works best on straight hair, to be honest with you. So if you've got straight hair and you're looking for a new look, it definitely could be something could work out really well because, for the warmer months. And let me know if you're watching the series on Amazon. Don't forget, use code YouTube20 for 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com.